This information is not exhaustive. Please refer to the instructions for use of each device and to the technical manuals. Attention! Adequate technical training is essential. The Finch family of products includes several versions of adjustable work positioning lanyards, compact and easy to use, compliant with EN 358 standards. When there is a risk of a fall, the positioning lanyard must be integrated with individual or collective fall protection equipment. The Finch positioning lanyard is composed of 5 elements: the adjustment device, the rope, the protective sleeve, the terminal connector, and the connector used to secure the device to the user's harness. Finch lanyards are available in several versions in lengths of 2, 3 and 5 meters. The model Finch does not come equipped with a terminal connector. It is compatible with any EN 362 connector. The model Finch Shelter comes with a compact light alloy connector. The model Finch Combi is equipped with a big light alloy large opening connector. The model Finch Steel comes with a sturdy steel connector. Installation and adjustment. The Finch positioning lanyard connected to the EN 358 lateral attachment points of a work harness allows for positioning around an anchor. The protective sleeve will be positioned in order to protect the rope during use. To reduce the distance, the user will pull the free end of the rope. To increase the distance, the user will need to hold and slightly turn the adjustment device. The Finch positioning lanyard, secured to the EN 813 ventral attachment point of a work harness, allows for the direct connection to the anchor point.